Swazi TV's corporate affairs manager Mncedisi Mayisela has thanked Limkokwing University students who were doing their internship for playing a big role in developing the operations of the station. Mayisela said this during a farewell function ceremony of the students held at Hospital Hill in Mbabane. The over 20 students were engaged in different departments, including marketing, broadcasting, public relations, ICT, and many others during their internship period with the TV station. Bidding farewell to the Limkokwing students was Mncedisi Mayisela, who thanked the students for playing a major role in developing the operations of the station.
I think Swazi TV embeleni sibuke ukuthi kutaba nema issues abo local content ekubeni kube nabo digital migration lapho khona sitaba nema channels lamaningana lokuthiwa ngesilungu ama multi channels sethembenini abantu abami ukuthi la ngaphandle nasesithinga nje content kuyawuba ngini akusuba nje ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza ka Swazi TV but baye bathi ngesilungu think out of the box. Asive nje ukuthi ama production houses la ngaphandle asuswa ngini lawo mathuba emisebenzi live bekunene liyathuthuka live liya embili siphokophelele khona ku2022 njoba ingonyama emaswati yasho ukuthi live ibheke ukuthi live lapho ngaloyo mnyaka loyo.
Mayisela says he hopes that the students will assist the station in local content since it has already moved to digital migration. Speaking on behalf of the students was Sihle Dlamini, who says they learned more skills during their internship period.
As students at Limkokwing, siyathokoza kakhulu kuba ingcenye yenu. Sisho ukuthi besiphatheke kahle kakhulu. Siyabonga and ready for work.
Dlamini says she hopes that the skills acquired will help them to start their own businesses. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Solisani Mabuza in Mbabane.